What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see today, we got the Pixel 7 Pro on the desk, and it's a case video. We have a classic case from Spigen. Like, this is an OG case. This case been out for a long time. I done had this case on a lot of phones. Really dope, really affordable case. Definitely gonna put a link down in the description. But this is the Spigen Rugged Armor. So like I said, the Spigen Rugged Armor been out since like OG Nexus phones and things of that nature, and I've been putting it on a lot of devices since then. Really dope case, really kind of minimal case, but does offer some protection. It has a nice unique design to it, as you can see in the typical Spigen packaging. Now this case is slim design for perfect grip, form fitted for device, perfect protection. So let's go ahead and just get it out. Here we go, guys. Rugged armor. As you can see, we got a matte finish on the back. This is a nice TPU case. Matte finish on the back. And as you can see, we got that gloss design around the camera bar. We got gloss Spigen branding. And we got like some makeshift, almost like carbon fiber type design at the bottom. Now our button press, it's a nice button press. Buttons with the slits in them. You know, all buttons need to have them slits in them so you can get a nice easy button press. And then in the corners we got like some air pockets with some gloss designs on them. So just a very nice design case. Let's go ahead and put the device in this case. Now I bought this case because I knew my Obsidian Pixel would just look so dope in this case, and as you can see, it's really looking nice in this case. It's just a nice looking case to go with like a dark color phone, and the silver trim around the camera bar is very nice. But as you can see, offering protection, covering that camera bar up, kind of protecting it from scratches and things of that nature, also in your pocket, as well as drops. So you can see nice Spigen brand and carbon fiber look. Just a nice design. Has a nice feel in the hand also. It's kind of like a soft TPU, almost like a sandstone type texture, guys. And as you can see, this case also offers some raised lip protection. You're gonna always want that. Easy button press, and we have a spot for a lanyard if you want to hook a lanyard up. Now what I'm noticing is these edges and these corners are kind of bolstered up, and that's probably like some really good drop absorption going on. So this case definitely will offer some good drop protection, guys, and absorb the blow, because you don't want the phone to absorb the blow when you drop it. You want the case to absorb the blow. And as you can see, it's kind of like circular in the corner because it's kind of like an air pocket for drop absorption. But just overall, really nice looking case. I'm liking this look on my Pixel 7 Pro. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.